guys to another video. I'll be showing you guys how to install a CPU. Nice and simple, nice and easy. Now this is the i5 2500 something or 2400 something, doesn't really matter. But on the Intel CPU there's like these two notches. They're gonna align it with the notches, like the little nudges, not notches, on the nudges on your motherboard. It's on socket. I'll highlight where it is. This is the two notches you see on your CPU. Now on the I'll be showing you guys on the motherboard where are those two nudges that fit perfectly with the two notches on your CPU. Yeah, so yeah, that's just the notches I'm trying to show you guys. So let me just zoom into the motherboard. It has these two nudges on right on the left. I'll try to highlight them for you. Hopefully you guys can see them. I don't have the best camera. So here on one right there, and on the one over there. There's these two nudges. They're gonna align with your CPU. Sorry that my hand covers it. It's that I'm the only cameraman. Sorry, you just want to put that in straight onto it, and I tend to give it like a little wiggle to see if it's in there. Yeah, so as you can see there, it aligns perfectly. The nudges go into the notches on your CPU. Now I'm gonna show you guys of the closing the tension or finishing off the installation of the CPU. So once you push down on that little lever, I guess, you're gonna feel a little bit of tension or like push like some force. That's perfectly normal. Just push it in, hook it up. That's all. Enjoy your day. Peace out.
Like anyone else.